Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. So first, let me start by making a shout out to Ogo Oluwa watching from Songo Ota, Ogun State. Please also let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you too. So today I'll be making one of my favorites. This is pancake. I don't know what you call it in your own dialect, but in English it is pancake. So I have my flour, I have milk, I have sugar, I have salt, and I have eggs, raw eggs, and boiled eggs with tomato and onions. Okay, so now the tomato, onions, and boiled egg, it is actually not compulsory. I just want to use it for my own pancake because I don't want the pancake to be just plain. Although you can slice whatever you want and mix it with this mixture we're going to mix now, like carrot and all of that. But nah, I like it plain with boiled egg, tomato, and onions on top. But if you don't want it like that, you can just do it. You can just make the plain one. So, and for making that, all you need is just your flour, your raw eggs, your sugar, your milk, your salt, and your oil for frying. So, let us watch how to do it step by step. And also, you can let us know how you make your own pancake so that maybe we can try your own recipe next time. If not, you can just try mine and come back to give us feedback on it. So, like I said, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And also don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. Even if we've done shout outs to you before, I don't mind doing shout outs to you again and again and again. Just don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can thank you. So watch this video to the end and then let me know what you think.